fire magic effect tutorial for complete beginners. Just stay tuned. I want to teach you everything you need to know about this. Alright, let's go. Place your camera on a tripod using landscape mode. Strike a lighter. Use one finger to tap on where the fire is coming out. Now wave the finger, move the finger to the right, and then also move to the left like you're seeing on your screen. Now save the video to your gallery. Then go to Google. Now type on your Google Chrome, download candle flame short clip black screen. I don't know how you want to arrange it, but this is how I did my own. Download candle flame short clip black screen. Make sure it's black screen. Now you click on the search icon. Now you see these short clips here. Now I selected the third one, this one here with 20 seconds. After downloading it, this is how it's going to be. That is just it. Now head over to Capcut. Click on new project. Now import the video you recorded yourself. Now this is the video. Bring it to Capcut. At this point where you want to tap your finger on the lighter where the flame is coming out, you just hold it there. Now go to overlay, click on overlay, click on add overlay. Bring the candle flame you just added. Please make sure it's black screen. Click on blend. After clicking on blend, you will choose this second one, filter. Choose this filter. You will see the way it is. Now what you need to do is for you to adjust it. Adjust the candle light. Adjust it. You can make it smaller, you can make it bigger depending on how you want it, but I have to adjust it a little. Position it at the tip of your finger. Why is this thing not positioning now? Okay, just try and position it at the tip of your finger like I said. So when you are done with this one, you click on keyframe. See keyframe, you add keyframe. Now after adding keyframe, move the video a bit as you are seeing on your screen. Now as you are moving the video, the finger will be moving and then leaving the light. You will use your hand to move the light to still remain at the tip of your finger. I don't know if you understand what I'm trying to say. Now you move the video a bit, you add keyframe, then you move the flame. You move the flame to still the tip of the finger. That is how you are going to do it, like what I'm doing here on screen. I move the video, I add keyframe, I move the flame to still remain at the tip of my finger. Understand? Just bit by bit, and you are going to get it. So guys, that is just it. There is no much to say about this one. It's a very simple tutorial, very simple step to get this one. So if you enjoy videos like this and you want to know more about video editing, all this type of video editing, please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Leave a comment in the comment section. If you have any issue, I'll be there to assist you 100%. Like and share this tutorial so it will help others. Take note, I'm not a pro. So guys, now we've gotten it. So let's see how it goes. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, but I noticed you've not subscribed. Subscribe now. Subscribe. Subscribe. Alright, so see you in our next video.